So Apache Tomcat, come down. So last class we discussed like what is Tomcat, what are the pre-requirement of Tomcat, and how to install Tomcat in Linux. Okay, so so today I'm going to discuss how to fix 401 error and 403 error. Okay, so last class we already discussed how to fix 404 error. Okay, so now I'm trying to explain how to fix 401 error and 403 error. Then after, how to change port numbers in our Tomcat. Okay, so these are the topics I'm trying to explain today. And here, copy this public IP, go to Mobexterum, specific username, it's a EC2-user, select advanced SS settings, I am attaching my PEM file and press OK. Yeah, now I can log in successfully. Then after, you should become your root, sudo su hyphen, so press enter. Then after, so here I am going to OTP location, optional directory location, cd space / opt and enter and press enter. So here we like last class we like downloaded Apache Tomcat 9.0.56. okay, so then after we unzipped that complete zip file, we are unzipped. So whenever you unzipped, here you can see your folder name, cd, you should use change directory. What is meaning of change directory? You are going inside that particular folder. Okay, so that's why change your directory. Now I am going inside particular Apache Tomcat. Then after, press ll. So here we have a like bin files. We have a bin files if you want to see complete supported Apache Tomcat files, you can see here only. So in this location I am going to inside bin location. Why? Because if you want to start your Tomcat or if you want to shut down your Tomcat, you need to go to binary location. So then after, now I am in pwd. Pwd is nothing but present working directory. Now I am in this path. Then after, press ll. Okay, so press ll. Here you can see shutdown.sh and startup.sh. clear, shutdown.sh and startup.sh you can see here only. Okay, so now I need to start my Tomcat. If you want to start your Tomcat, we are using sh space startup.sh. Yeah, so in below you can see like your Tomcat has started. Okay, so after that, if you want to see like your Tomcat properly running or not, okay, so in this scenario we are using ps-ef grep filter command, grep and Tomcat. So whenever you used this command, this is our process, our service checking purpose, we are using whether it is running properly or not. Okay, so complete information you can see here only. So that's why so here we are using ps-ef grep Tomcat command. Okay, so whenever you get this type of multiple lines, your Tomcat has started. Okay, so after that After that, copy this public IP, and take a new tab, paste it here, and press colon. What is our Tomcat port number? Default port number
8080.
8080. Yeah. So finally we'll get a page like this. Okay. So finally we'll get a page like this. Up to here, do you have any doubts? Up to here, do you have any doubts? Are you guys clear?
Yes.
What about remaining?
Clear.
Good. Okay then. So guys, please like focus on here. Okay. So some people are missed classes also. So in that persons, I am not providing any recording sessions. Clear? So Monday onwards I will not provide. If you missed any classes, please come and focus on in this here. Okay. Okay then. Coming back to topic here. Well, we are using which port number? Here 8080. So we can able to change our port number also. Okay, so we have a like different types of port numbers we can able to change. So that concept also we will discuss later. So here I am going to manager app. Okay, so manager app, select manager app button. So here you can see 403 access denied, 403 access denied. So this one also we need to resolve. So if you want to resolve this 403 access denied, means so we should go to do some stuff. So you are not authorized to view this page. By defaultly the manager is only accessible from a browser running on the same machine as Tomcat. If you wish to modify these restrictions, you will need to edit manager's context.xml file. Okay, so here we have a context.xml file, so that file we need to edit it. Okay, so actually that context.xml file has stored in your manager directory. So press LL. I am going to web apps location. So here we have a web apps. Select web apps and press LL. Go inside manager app, manager, and press LL again. So here we have a metadata. Okay, so in this metadata location we have a context.xml file. Now I am in this path. Web apps, manager, you should go inside metadata info, then after you finally will get context.xml file. Okay, so here I am trying to edit that file. So if you want to edit any file, we are using vi space context.xml and enter it. So scroll down. So here we have a allow equal to 127. Guys, did you observe here my cursor is allow? My cursor is located in allow location. So here we have a 127 / dot something is there, right? So I am trying to remove everything. So here I for insert, press I for insert, then after remove this line, I am make it as dot star. Dot star is indicating to it is allowing all like all that IPs, public IPs. Okay, so that's why I am maintained like dot star. So then after press escape button, shift colon WQ exclamatory symbol and enter it. Clear. So after that, if you want to see your modifications, so just now you updated that file, okay, contest.xml file. So if you want to see that updated file, so here I am using cat is nothing but display purpose. So here you modify like this, allow equal to dot star. Okay, so after that you need to go back to in your bin directory. So your bin directory, if you want to go back to bin directory, you need to go back to 3 steps. Okay, so 3 steps back you should go. So cd // it's a 1 step back, cd // 2 step back, cd // 3 step back. Okay, so press LL. So again I am going inside bin directory. Why? Because just now I modified one line, okay, in our contest.xml file. So here that's why I am going to bin directory. I need to shut down my Tomcat. Okay, so if you want to see your latest updates, okay, so that time only you need to shut down your Tomcat, and start it again. Why? Because I modified like contest.xml file, right? If you want to see if you want to resolve 403 error access dynamics, you need to shut down your Tomcat again. You should start it. Okay, so now my Tomcat has started. Then after here refresh this page. Then after you should refresh this page. Still it is taking time. Well, let me check ps-ef grep Tomcat. Yeah, it is running. Again copy this public IP, take a new tab, and here 8080, press 8080 and enter it. Yeah, so here guys we are getting one pop-up. Here guys we are getting one pop-up. So here it is asking username and password. Do you know username and password? Guys, in our Apache Tomcat, do you know username and password? We don't have, right? So
Yeah.
we don't have. That's why I'm trying to cancel this space. Why? Because I don't have any username and password. So that's why I'm canceling this space. So here I'm getting unauthorized page. Means here we are facing one more error. It's a 104 error. Sorry, 101 error. Sorry, 401 error. Okay, so 401 unauthorized page I'm facing. Okay, so here you are not authorized to view this page if you have changed any configuration. Please go through in this path. Okay, so you should go to in this path and try to add your username and password. Try to add your username and password. Okay, and here I am going to go back I am going to configuration, cd configuration, okay, then cd configuration, so press ll. So here which file we need to take in our cd configuration, which file we should take? It's a tomcat-user.xml file we need to take. Okay, so where is my tomcat user.xml? Here I can see. Okay, so try to edit this file. You need to attach your username and password, tomcat user.xml. Okay, so come down, scroll down. So here we need to attach some script. So let me open my document. First time we are facing 404 error, then after we finally will get this type of page. So then after we are getting like 403 access denied. Just now we resolved. So how to resolve? So you need to attach like so we have a allow equal to 127 line is there. You need to remove that line and replace below changes. Just to put dot and start. Then after start your Tomcat and start it again. If you want to resolve 401 unauthorized issue, so here you need to, in the below you need to attach these 4 lines. Okay, so here you should copy this 1 2, these 2 tags you should copy. Okay, so copy this complete tags, copy selected 2 lines you need to copy and paste into which location? Inside Tomcat -user, inside only you need to paste it. I for insert and enter this one. So here I am pasting into these 2 lines. So let me explain these 2 lines why we are using. So first line it is indicating to role space role name. So here I am providing role name. It's a manager GUI, graphical user interface, and then after username. What is my username now? It's a Tomcat. So you can give any name, guys. You can give any name. So here I mentioned Tomcat. So password capital T Tomcat. So this Tomcat name also you can give any name. Okay, for your understanding purpose I am providing Tomcat, username Tomcat, password capital T Tomcat. Roles, I need to open some roles also. So those roles are manager GUI, manager script, manager admin, and manager status. So these roles also we should open. Okay, so these 2 lines you need to add it. In which location we should add? Inside Tomcat-user. Guys, please observe here, inside Tomcat-user, inside only you need to add these 2 tags. Okay, so then after press escape button, shift colon WQ, W is nothing but save, Q for quit, and press exclamatory symbol and enter it. Clear? So after that I am checking same file, okay, whether it's updated properly or not. You can see using cat is nothing but display purpose, and give that file name. So here you can see these 2 lines. Okay, clear everyone? Then after I added 2 lines. So that's why I am going back to bin location. Okay, so here I have updated this tomcat-user.xml. So that's why I need to shut down my Tomcat. You should go inside a bin directory, press LL. Here you need to shut down your Tomcat. And start it again. you need to start it again. So then after, check your processor. So how to check your process? ps-ef filter command, here I am using grep and give Tomcat service name. Okay, so whenever you get multiple lines, so here Catalina startup dot bootstrap start, so you will get this type of message. So after that, you can reload the space. You can reload the space. Again it is asking pop-up. In the pop-up, so you need to you need to provide like username and password. Okay, so wait a second. So here also I am selecting manager app. Today my network very slow. Close this tab. Again copy this public IP. Take a new tab. So here I am providing 8080 port number. Today my network very slow, so that's why it is taking time. Let me shut down my Tomcat. Configuration refused. Okay. Stop your service. Otherwise you can reboot it. Reboot your instance. Reboot your instance. If you get this type of message, okay, you need to like reload it. Sometimes you are facing some network issues, right? So in these scenarios, so this type of errors you guys are facing. Yeah. Here you are getting session stopped. So here press R for restart your session. I am pressing capital R. Yeah, again it is connected. You should become a root and press you should go to opt location. So then after press ll. Here go inside Apache Tomcat directory, press ll again. Here I'm going inside bin directory and ll shutdown.sh. First of all I need to shut down my Tomcat. Still it is connection refused, negative. I just stopped Catalina. Okay.
Krishna, in here localhost to 8005. Is that 8080 or 8005?
8080.
So I think that is error. Could not contact.
Okay, let me start my Tomcat again. Wait, we will check. So copy this public IP. Sorry, yeah, I'm getting this pop-up. So in this pop-up here I'm providing Tomcat and capital T Tomcat and sign in. Finally we are getting this type of page. Okay, so Tomcat web application manager. So here let me refresh this page. You will get this type of home page, right? So I'm selecting manager app and finally we'll get this type of page. Okay, yes or no? So finally we'll get this type of page in this location, Tomcat web application manager location. You need to deploy all the files in this application. So we have a different types of applications you need to deploy in this path. Okay, so if you want to deploy means we have a like some process. You need to deploy var files, you should deploy like jar files also. So in this location only we need to deploy. Okay, so in below server information, so we have a Tomcat version. It's a, so we downloaded Tomcat, Apache Tomcat 9.0.56. it is Java version. So here I'm using standard 1.8 version. Okay, JVM vendor, it's a Red Hat Linux operating system Linux. So this is our latest version, and 64-bit OS we are using, and host name, this is our host name and IP address. Okay, so below complete your server information you can see. And so we will discuss how to deploy in our complete var files. So those topics we will discuss like later classes. Clear? So like that you need to install Apache Tomcat. Okay, so we are facing, first of all we are facing 404 error, means page not found. So then after 403 error, access denied. 401 error, it is unauthorized page. So these three errors you should resolve it. Okay, so finally we'll get this page. Clear everyone? Up to here do you have any doubts?
No.
Clear? Remaining peoples? Okay then. So once it is completed, every time I am using 8080. 8080 is our port. Okay, so default port. And similarly guys, you can able to change port numbers also. So if you want to change any port, so here you should go back to Apache Tomcat 9.0.56 folder. So after that press LL. So here if you want to change any port numbers, you should go to configuration, directory, press LL. So here well, I have a server.xml. Let me edit that server.xml and come down come down. So here you can see 8080. I'm trying to highlight this one, 8080. It's a 8080. Okay, so if you want to filter only 8080 numbers, I'm pressing / and 8080 and enter it. Okay, so I for insert, let me rename this 8080. I can change these port numbers. So this time I'm using 8085. 8085. Okay, so come down. That's it only. That's it only. So after that, press escape button, shift : WQ exclamatory symbol. Okay, then after press enter. So after that, so just now you changed your port number. So whenever you refresh this page, try to refresh this page. So still it is working. So here I am trying to go back to bin directory. I am going inside bin directory. So now I am using sh space shutdown.sh and sh space startup.sh. Just now I replaced port number, right? So that's why I am shut down my Tomcat and started my Tomcat. Refresh this page. Yeah, again we are facing 404 error. Okay, so whenever you get this page cannot be reached. Why? Because your port number it's wrong. Okay, and so now we are using 8085. Okay, so here you need to give 8085. And one more thing, you should go to security location and select security groups. And come down here, inbound rules. In our inbound rules also you need to update 8085 and select anywhere, come down and save that rule. Okay, so here, so this time we are using 8085. Go back to instance, copy this public IP again, :8085, enter it. So meanwhile I am trying to checking process ps-ef grep Tomcat. Oh, it is running true process. So let me shut down my Tomcat. So here guys, we are running true process. So this is process 1, multiple process it is running, so that's why it is not picking properly. Clear the screen. So again shutdown.sh, okay, clear the screen. sh space startup.sh, I will get the space, select manager app. It is asking username. What is our username? Tomcat. What is my password? Capital T Tomcat. Okay, so finally we'll get the space. So but this time which port number we are connected? 8085. Clear everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is my IP address colon 8085, and finally we'll get the space. So similarly you can connect through DNS also. So copy this DNS, domain name service, and colon 8085 and enter it. Okay, so this one also you can connect. So try to do it. Same thing you can do it here also. Both are same. You can use public IP, otherwise you can use domain name. Clear everyone? Guys, clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay then. So this is about complete overall Linux basic concepts, and so you will get some idea about how to work on services, means how to download and install services. Okay, so you will get some idea. So later classes, how to deploy in our Apache Tomcat, that files how to deploy here. So we will discuss in our Devops concept. In our Devops concept we will discuss those things also. Okay, so and tomorrow onwards I will start AWS services. So up to here Linux basic commands. Up to here we are learning AWS L1 level commands. L1 is nothing, means basic commands. So these are all our basic commands. Clear? So tomorrow onwards we will discuss like AWS services. We have like couple of services, we will discuss one by one. So after that we will discuss like DevOps tools. Clear?
The commands is enough to here only, or
Yeah,
any more?
so up to here it's enough, you can do anything. Okay, so I will add you some more commands later, so one by one. So depends upon our tools, depends upon our services, I will add you some more commands also. So these are all basic regular commands. Whenever you go to any like a cloud environment, so these are all basic commands, Linux basic commands, mandatory to learn. Okay,
Okay.
so after that if you want to learn more things means, so tomorrow onwards we will discuss some more services. So related services, I am using different commands. Clear? So up to here you should practice properly. I will